everyone, it's Kaitlyn again. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. DeVoe Automotive is partnering with local Southwest Florida businesses to keep Southwest Florida rolling. What we're doing is if you come in and purchase a vehicle, we're going to give you a $200 gift card to use at any locally owned Southwest Florida business, such as one that we're highlighting today. It's called Giovanni's Restaurant, and we're going to go inside and meet who runs the spot. So come on in. I like it. They have outdoor seating if you want to sit outside, but if not, we are inside. So this is their dining room right here. Let's see. Hello, how are you?
How are you doing?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you. How's everything going?
Everything's great. Thanks for having us.
Welcome to Giovanni.
Well, thank you. So this is your dining room?
Yes.
This is beautiful.
This is my son Giovanni. This
Hi,
Giovanni right
nice to
here.
meet you.
Good
I'm
to meet you
Kaitlyn. So father, son.
There we go, see?
So this is family owned and operated?
Yes.
Awesome. Now how long have you guys been in business?
20 years this year.
20 years? That's amazing. Congratulations. Can we see a little, this isn't it. This is bigger than this, right?
Yeah.
Can you show us around for a
Yes,
second?
he's going to take over.
Yeah, I guess I'll
Okay,
take over.
perfect.
Well, see, this is the right side of the restaurant.
Right.
We have a lot of our booths.
Okay. And back here, I think there's a bar, right?
Yeah, we have a full bar.
Let's check it out. This is so beautiful. I love the atmosphere, the design. It's really pretty here. So this is your bar.
Yeah.
Very nice. So now, what are your specialties?
Well, we specialize in veal, chicken. I mean, all the basics of the Italian. We do a lot of pizza as well.
Gotcha. I asked your father what your specialties were, and he goes, "Everything's a specialty
Yeah,
because everything's delicious here."
I mean, we agree. I mean, that's everything is. It's funny. People ask that question all the time. So everything. It's
Right.
hard. It's hard to say like one thing because it really is. We take a lot of passion in what we make, so it's all good.
That's awesome. So, what's it like working with your dad?
It's on camera, right? It's got its days, you know,
Yeah.
but it's family, you know.
That's awesome. Really awesome. We love being able to support locally owned businesses that are family operated here in Southwest Florida. How has business been affected by the coronavirus?
Well, definitely significant. I mean, you definitely see, you know, the good in people and sometimes the bad in people.
Right.
You know, but it's like a new experience. It's not like a hurricane, you know, like you know
Yeah.
when it's coming, you know when it's gonna hit. It's, okay, it's done now, so we can move on.
Right.
It basically changed everything, how we operate, and
Gotcha.
it's a new learning curve.
Yeah, no, I hear you, but you have tons of space in here to socially distance, which is awesome and wonderful for guests to be able to come in and feel safe and all of that kind of stuff. But yeah, no, so like I said, we're doing a promotion with DeVoe Automotive Group where when someone comes in to purchase a car, we're going to give them a $200 gift card to use at any locally owned Southwest Florida business. So they could choose Giovanni's and come on in and have a great dinner. You're also open for lunch too, is that correct?
Lunch and dinner.
Great. So lunch is what days of the week are lunch?
Monday through Friday is
Monday
lunch,
through Friday
and
is lunch.
dinner is Monday through Sunday.
Awesome. That's great. I'm so happy to be able to be partnered with you guys, and you know, we hope we can help you drum up some business. And I can't wait to come and eat here. This looks like you got some good food here. I can tell just by walking in. I can tell.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, for 20 years, I mean, it's got to be somewhat good, right?
Absolutely. Businesses don't stay in business for that long if they're not good. So come check out Giovanni's. You guys have social media at all?
Yeah.
All right, so follow them on social media, follow us on social media. You can also check us out online at DeVoeAuto.com.